welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Komboka Judith. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this kunde or cowpea leaves, cow pear leaves or black-eyed pear in a with cream. And I'm going to also use this is mchicha or pigweed in English. It's a very soft vegetable. So first thing first, we are going to remove these, can I call them the stalks or vijiti in Swahili? So I'm going to remove them. That's the first process. I don't like them in my food. There's people who love them, but as for me, I don't love them in my food. So I'm gonna remove them, and this is the way I'm removing them. So I'm removing leaf one by one, that way. So let me remove them all, then we can go to the next step. So guys, I'm done removing the stalk or the vijiti, and I've mixed it with my mchicha. And I love putting mchicha so that it can be able to, my kunde to be soft in case it's hard. It softens the kunde. So the second step, I'm going to rinse my kunde, then cut it. So let us rinse it. You can see my water is not dirty, so I'm going to rinse it twice because it's not dirty. And I'm going to put it here in the sieve so that it can drain the water. So guys, the third step is cutting these kunde into smaller pieces or smaller size. So let's cut it. So the next part, I'm going to boil my kunde. That means that I'm going to put small amount of water. I like boiling my kunde before uh, before cooking it. So I'm also going to put salt, sprinkle some salt. So yeah, let me put it on my gas so that it can boil. So I'm going to leave it to boil until it's a bit soft, then we can continue. It's ready and it's soft. So I'm going now to fry it with onions and tomatoes and milk. So let's fry it. So I've heated my oil. I'm going to put in my onions. Then fry them until they are well cooked. So my onions are well cooked. I blended my tomatoes and my garlic. So I'm going to stir it. I'm going to cook it for around 2 minutes before adding my milk. I'll now go ahead and add my fresh milk. Then leave it to boil. Then we are going to add our kunde or cowpea or cowpear leaves. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. bit of paprika. Then leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. Lastly, I'm going to add one Royco cube. Then mix it properly. You can see how thick the cream is. Then I'll put off my fire. So guys, this is the way you make your creamed kunde. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing down below and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.